Hello everybody, how are you doing? Archa is here with your math subject. Today's lesson is page 311 and 312, which you must have done it before, and I'm just want to review it for you to check your answers. Let's start with the first question. It says Ming divided 35 marbles between 7 different friends. Each friend received the same number of marbles. How many marbles did Ming give to each friend? Well, as you know, there was 35 marbles. So it wrote 35. And he wants to give 7 different friends. So we divide 35 by 7 to see how many marbles each friend received. What is the answer, guys? 35 divided by 7 equals A. And as far as you know, 7 multiplied by A is also 37. What is this A number? Number A, 4. Number B, 5. Number C, 6. And number D, 7. Count it. That's right. The answer is 5. 35 divided by 7 is 5. And 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Next question. Mrs. Connor has 16 shoes, as you can see in the photos. 16 shoes. Select one number from each column to show the division equation represented by the picture. What kind of divisor we must have here? 16 divided by what number equals our quotient? 16 divided by 1, 16 divided by 2, by 4, by 16. First, guys, look. How many pair of shoes can you see? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5, 6, 7, and 8 pairs. And how many groups you have here? Each pair is 2, so you can have 2 as your pair and your quotient becomes 8. Why? Because 16 shoes and each pair is 2. So 16 divided by 2. How many pairs? It's 8 pairs. So our divisor is 2 and our quotient is 8. Next question. 20 boys are going camping. They brought 5 tents. 20 boys and 5 tents. An equal number of boys sleep in each tent. How many boys will sleep in each tent? Well, 20 boys, 5 tents. That's easy. We just divide 20 by 5. And the answer is 4. So in each tent, there will be 4 boys. Next one. Circle a number of the unknown factor and quotient that makes the equation true. Well, we must circle around a correct number, correct divisor, that our dividend multiplied by that equals 28. 4 multiplied by what number equals 28? 4, 6, 24. 4, 8, 32. 4, 7, that's right, 28. And how about this one? 28 divided by 4 equals what number? Well, the answer is same. The answer is 7. 28 divided by 4 is equal 7. So 4 multiplied by 7 is also equal 28. And our last question. For numbers 7a to 7e, select true or false for each equation. Guys, 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Is it true or false? Of course it is true, because 6 times 2 is equal 12. 7b. 24 divided by 6 is equal 3. Is it true? Is 3 times 6 equal 24? No, of course not. It's false. 6 times 3 is equal 18. And 6 times 4 is equal 24. 7c. 30 divided by 6 is equal 6. Is it true? Of course not. Why? Because 6 times 6 equals 36. And 6 times 5 equals 30. Next one. 42 divided by 6 is 7. That's right, because 6 times 7 is also 42. And next one, and the last one. 7e. 48 divided by 6 is equal 8. Is it true? That's right, it's true, because 6 times 8 is also equal 48. Question number 5. Mrs. Walters has 30 markers. She gives each student 10 markers. So 30 markers she has, and she gave 10 markers to each student. How many students received the markers? There was 30 markers, and she gave 10 markers. So how many markers the students received? One of the ways you can get the answer is by subtraction. You just subtract 30 by 10. 30 subtracted by 10, 20. And again, you subtract 20 by 10. The answer is 10. Again, you subtract 10 by 10 until you reach 0. Alright, finished. 10 subtracted by 10, 0. How many action happen here? 3 action. Now let's write the division equation to represent the repeated subtraction. It says 30 divided by 10 equals 3. So the answer of students received the markers is 3. Next question. Complete each chart to show the quotients. 27 divided by 9 equals what? Equals 3, because 9 times 3 is also 27. 36 divided by 9 is equal 4, because 9 times 4 is also 36. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 9 times 5 is also 45. And the last one, 54 divided by 9 is 6, because 9 multiplied by 6 is also 54. Now guys, go to page 313 and 314. Your homework are these pages. Thank you for watching. Take care.